Hi, I'm Nelson Day. I am an AMJ certified rock guide and also a single pitch instructor, a program provider. I also operate the Climbing Life Guides, which is a guide service in Joshua Tree National Park. And I'm going to be going over several different classes today. For this class, I'm going to be going over how to tie a clove hitch on the carabiner. And what would we want to use a clove hitch for? There's a lot of reasons I like clove hitches. One of them is adjustability. So after I attach a hitch to this carabiner, I can still adjust either direction on the hitch, create slack on either side or tension on either side. It's an excellent hitch to tie myself into a carabiner with, or to create an adjustable hitch on a carabiner. Anytime you need adjustability, the clove hitch is a really nice option for you. So let's go ahead and get into how we're going to tie this clove hitch. I like to orient my carabiner with the gate facing to the right. And now I'm going to clip my rope through the carabiner. And if I am looking at my rope, I would call the rope coming out the front of the carabiner, let's call that the front. And the rope coming out the back, let's call that the back. All I'm going to do to tie this clove hitch is I'm going to reach across the front rope to the back with my right hand, thumbs down, and now I'm going to make a loop of rope by bringing my thumb up. And now if you look at what I have, is I have two bunny ears, kind of what people usually consider half of the clove hitch. All I need to do is pass one bunny ear behind the other. So I'm going to do so by clipping this bunny ear into the carabiner behind the other bunny ear, and now I have my clove hitch. So let's do that one more time, just so you can see. Reach across my load strand, thumbs down, make a loop, bring this loop onto my carabiner and stack it behind the existing loop, and now we have a clove hitch. Once my clove hitch is attached to my carabiner, go ahead and lock the gate. And now to show you how to adjust my clove after I've already installed it on the carabiner. If I want to take some of the rope, call this my load line, if I want to take some of the load line out of the system, if I want to make this leg shorter, I'm going to trace this load into the carabiner until I can follow the load over the top of the carabiner. And I'm going to use the carabiner kind of like I'm pulling against it here. So I'm going to pull over the top of the carabiner and make my load line shorter. And as I'm doing so, I can capture that progress by pulling the brake strand or the back side of the clove. And that's how I've adjusted my carabiner to make the load shorter. If I want to make the load longer, I'm going to pull the brake strand over the top of the carabiner, and now I can pull my load strand and make it longer. And this is our clove hitch on the carabiner. Very nice hitch for creating an adjustable attachment point for yourself or for other anchoring purposes.